Today we are going to discuss about Income Tax Act, which was given in 1961. Firstly, let's go through the Section 269 ST and its clauses. The government introduced a new Section 269 ST. Under this section, cash transactions exceeding rupees 2 lakhs or more than 2 lakhs are prohibited with a view to promoting the digital economy. Section 269 ST was introduced by the government to curb black money and tax fraud in the economy. 269 ST, a mode of undertaking transactions. No person shall receive an amount of 2 lakh rupees or more than 2 lakh rupees in aggregate from a person in a day, or in respect of single transaction, or in respect to transactions relating to one event or occasion from a person, otherwise than by an account payee check or an account payee bank draft, or use of electronic clearing system through a bank, provided that provisions of this section shall not apply to any recipient by the government, any banking company, post office, savings bank, or cooperative banks. Transactions of the nature referred to in Section 269 SS. Such other persons or class of persons or recipients which the central government may by notification in the official gazette specify. Transaction means it is a combination of two words, trans and action, which means through, to do. The process of doing business. A transaction is any kind of action involved in conducting businesses or an interaction between people, an instance of buying or selling something. Let's study the examples for the Section 269 ST Clause A. What does this Clause A says is that no person shall receive an amount of 2 lakh rupees or more in aggregate from a person in a day. For example, by cash, a payer should pay 5 lakh rupees for a good or a service. Let's say for buying a gold ornament, you need to pay 5 lakh rupees. So he had taken 3 different bills in a day. He had taken 3 different bills. In the first bill, he will be paying 1,50,000. In the second bill, he will be paying 1,70,000. In the third bill, he will be paying 1,80,000. And 3 bills are given by the receiver to the payer. In aggregate amount, in this transaction a day, it turns out to be 5 lakh rupees, right? There might be same bills or other bills. They had turned out to be 5 lakh in a day, in a single day. So that the violation of the Section 269 Clause A had took place here. Now let's discuss about the Section 269 ST Clause B. Clause B says that no person shall receive an amount of 2 lakh rupees or more than 2 lakh rupees in respect of single transaction. Let's say you're gonna buy a house which had costed you 50 lakhs. You need to pay 50 lakhs to the owner or the broker, etc. So the cash transaction was taken in 4 different days. And this transaction is treated as a single transaction, right? See, for example, at the first day you have paid 1,90,000 by cash. Second day 1,80,000 by cash. Third day 24,50,000 by cash. Next, fourth day 21,80,000 by ECS. So in the first 2 days he had paid by using cash, that is 1,90,000 and 1,80,000 respectively. In the third day he had paid 24,30,000 by account pay. And in the fourth day he had paid using ECS, that is electronic clearing system, right? The selling of house property treated as single transaction. It is treated as single transaction. The day 1 plus day 2 payment by cash, it is of 3,70,000, which is something greater than 2 lakh rupees, right? So here the Section 269 ST Clause B was violated. Now let's know about the Section 269 ST. Clause C. This clause C says that no person shall receive an amount of 2 lakh rupees or more than 2 lakh rupees in respect of transactions relating to one event or occasion from a person. For example, X accepts an order of catering, decoration and tent for a marriage event of Y. X accepts cash of rupees 1,50,000 for catering, 1,70,000 for decoration and 1,75,000 for tent work. Then the section 269 STC will get violated even if cash is accepted on different dates. All the cash transactions related to the same occasion, like the marriage of Y. A new section 271 DA was introduced under the Income Tax Act. This section states that any person who receives any sum which violates the provisions laid down in section 269 ST will be liable to pay as a penalty sum equal to the amount. For example, in a day, if you have received 5 lakhs, then you need to pay 5 lakhs as the income tax. As the tax, you need to pay 5 lakhs. Or else if you had received 4 lakhs, then you need to pay 4 lakhs as the tax or as a penalty. Applicability. This section is applicable to all the persons as defined in the section 2 of 31. It covers all types of recipients, whether it is capital or revenue.